Alright, so today we are going to be flying a 3-inch octocopter in line of sight. And now you guys might recognize this from a Rotor Riot video that was posted a few months ago. This is actually the same exact quad that they flew in that episode. Vincent, who is the builder and creator designer of this quad, Octoquad FPV, is his Instagram. I'll link that down below. In the episode, Vanover broke it and he made a couple upgrades to the frame as well as the software setup. It is now running beta flight instead of clean flight. And he offered to send it out to me to make a few test videos and just see how it flies, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm not going to go over too much about the quad because I didn't build it, so I don't know too much, but I do know it runs an SP Racing flight controller because it's one of the very few ones that does have 8 motor outputs. It runs 2 separate ESCs, I don't know if you can see that there. And the frame is his own custom design. You can see it's the 2 top plates offset. The motors, the props here, they do overlap, and they run in alternating fashion. Camera is a Runcam Micro Eagle. The props are Lumineer 3040 tri-blades, and the motors are iFlight Tachyon 1408 4100 kV. Okay, so quick update from that other clip. I'm actually going to swap to this old 4S 1300 Nanotech I have. It's definitely not going to be as good as performance as the R-Line in terms of the battery itself, but it's 50 grams lighter. So that should give the quad a lot more pep, and I'm not really going to be going for a ton of high speed with this guy. I just kind of want to flip it around with quick movements, so dropping 40 or 50 grams will help quite a lot. Okay, so here we go. Hopefully you can hear right off. This thing sounds kind of nuts with those 8 3-inch props on high kV. Now, when he originally did the Rotor Riot, he sent this to Rotor Riot, they were running it on clean flight. He got it to fly surprisingly well, but now he has it on beta flight 4.1.2, I believe, with some RPM filtering. Made a lot of improvements to the tune, and it definitely is noticeable. It handles extremely well for its weight. About 480 grams as I'm flying it here. That was full speed. I'm actually really surprised with this battery. It's not doing too much worse than the R-Line, and this thing is like, this is one of the very first batteries ever used. And I'm sure I beat the crap out of it. Like 3 or 4 years old. Oh, this thing just looks hilarious. It's kind of hard to keep orientation because it's like a circle. Thing looks nuts with the 8 motors, like across the midline here. Try and get a funnel going. The wind's not gonna like it though. It's pretty windy out. Wow, that is loud. He has the idle set pretty high. I'm not sure if it was having stalling problems. So it doesn't really float too well. This thing's so funny. It's almost like a sphere. It's a circle in both planes. It's just so weird to look at. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. Woo. Wow, my battery just totally died. That's full throttle. Oh my goodness. Don't care though. This battery deserves to be dead. This thing is so old. Let me give it just 1 second so we can try and get it to take off so I can give it a hand catch here. No. This thing is beyond done. I bet it's super puffed. Yeah, it is, but that's okay. This battery needs to be disposed of anyways. I'm actually extremely impressed with how it did after like 3 years of, you know, being so old. These old little nanotechs. So there we go. That's going to be the line of sight video for this 3-inch octocopter. Once again, sent from Octoquad FPV. Links to his pages below. I will be doing a follow-up FPV video this, probably in a day or so after this is released. In terms of how it flies, it definitely is quite an interesting little thing. Don't really see too much practicality for it, but you know, stuff like this is just really cool and it's just fun to experiment with. And he is also doing a 5-inch, or he's either 5 or 6-inch. I couldn't tell from the pictures, but a larger version of this, which will be quite interesting. I think it'll scale to the weight a little bit better. The only problem with that is that you're gonna need a beastly battery to have 8 5 or 6-inch motors. So can't wait to see where that comes out. So yep, that's going to be the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.